Here across most of the south, we are dry and a ridge of high pressure is actually dominating in the upper levels of the atmosphere across the desert southwest. That's bringing on some sunshine, bringing on the heat and these just dry conditions we're seeing here across North Texas. This will influence our weather pattern over the next several days, but I am tracking a frontal system that'll swing through late tomorrow night. That'll cool us off several degrees, but again, it's not going to be anything big or impactful here. We are just dry, seeing clear conditions across North Texas. I do want to get you into some of the winds that we're seeing. They're around 20 miles per hour here across the area. We're continuing to see some pretty hefty wind gusts, even upwards of 30 to 35 miles per hour across the region. This is exactly why we do have a wind advisory that is in effect as we continue through 6 p.m. today across our DMA, so our designated market area, which is going to include all of North Texas. Again, very gusty conditions will be present for the next couple of hours or so. Something I'm keeping an eye out for, but again, nothing to be too concerned about. We are going to continue to monitor these gusty winds and these warmer than average temperatures. Through the rest of the night, temperatures will be on the decline. Why? Well, because the sun will set and we lose the heat and radiation from the sun. That's when temperatures will dip back down into the 60s as we move into the evening hours tonight. So very pleasant night, just a little bit on the windy side of the aisle. I do want to talk about what we're going to be anticipating wind-wise moving into the day tomorrow, because winds will stay a little bit breezy into the morning, coming from the south, even upwards of 20 miles per hour. That'll be the case into the afternoon, but our frontal system actually swings through later on tomorrow night, and that settles the winds down just a tad bit as we head into the evening hours. Now, that frontal system is going to allow for a very dry air mass to be swinging across the region. You can see all of the darker shades here indicating the very low dew point levels and the very low relative humidity levels. That's going to increase the high fire danger west of the I-35 corridor. Again, gusty conditions, dry fuels, dry weather, as well as warmer than average temperatures are all those factors that combine and lead to high fire danger. 84 degrees is the forecast high as we move into the day tomorrow. My jib operator's laughing at me right now because that was a funny way to say that. Now let's talk about our next weather maker that'll be swinging through. We're going to continue to see another frontal system swing through into our Thursday time period, and again, that's going to cool us off. 77 degrees is the forecast high into Thursday, high fire danger, and then a very pleasant weekend is in store for us, guys.